Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Thomas.
Thank you. What I want to tell you guys this morning is we're going to learn about adding and subtracting fractions. So the end thing, what we're going to do is the exit ticket which says draw a pictorial representation of subtracting 12 sevens from 15 sevens. Also create a real life word problem to represent the situation. That's our final. So before that we have to learn how to do this. I know you guys did this in 5th and 6th grade, so we'll go through it quick. Now when I say pictorial representation, I'm expecting the same from you, so pay attention to what we're going to do. Alright, so you can either create pizza, or you can create circles, or you can use bars, you can use triangles, anything. Well, always step one is to look at the denominator. I'm going to explain the first one, and then the rest of you can help me out later. So step one is always check the denominator. Are the denominators the same?
Yes.
The denominators are same, which means that's my total part. So I'm going to break this into how many parts?
4.
4 equal parts. Okay. Once I break it into 4 equal parts, the first one says
1, 4.
1, 4. So how many should I shade, class?
1.
Okay. The next one says
2, 4.
2, 4. So I should shade how many more?
2.
Why am I shading more?
Because it's another,
Serena, why am I shading 2 more?
because it has 2.
Because it has, what's the operation?
Adding.
We are adding, we are not subtracting. That's why we are adding 2 more to it. Okay. So this is my pictorial representation, and what does that tell me? It's a total of, Shania, equal to
3 fourths.
3 fourths. Good job, which is 3 parts out of
4.
4 total parts. Well, that was easy. Okay, let's move to the second one. Now here's the situation in this one. If you do the circle, it's easy to make 4 equal parts, but it's hard to make 5 equal parts. So we always use bars for that to help us out.
I got bars. Oh, like
Chocolate bars.
I love
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 5 parts. Now, Josh, how many parts should I shade for the first one?
1.
Okay. Jalen, how many parts should I shade for the second one?
4.
4. Okay, and what happens? What's your observation over here, Mary? What happens when I shade more? When I add them up, what happens? What's your answer?
1 whole.
1 whole. How did you figure that is 1 whole?
Because all of them are shaded.
And that is
1. 5
5 out of 5, shaded out of 5 parts. So you are kind of saying that even though you keep 1/5 and you share the other 4 with someone, you still need the whole chocolate bar, and you're not left with anything, but everything is accounted for. So that is equal to 1 whole bar. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now we are going to talk about subtracting. Now this is easy. So let's try to work on this. Michael, how many parts should I divide this into?
You should divide it into 2 of them.
Thank you for answering in complete sentence. You should divide it into how many total parts?
2.
How many?
2. Oh, 6.
Yeah. It's not 2, it's 6. It's dividing into 6 equal parts. Kind of equal though. Okay. All right. Cassie,
Yes.
is this adding or subtracting question?
Subtracting.
It's a subtracting question. So we have divided this into 6 equal parts. How much should I shade first?
4.
4. Okay, Cassie, thank you. All right. Now help me out, Brittany. How should I solve this problem? This is subtracting. What should I do? Subtracting means take away. So when I'm taking away or let, Can I cross it out as taking away? Yes. I should, because take away means I'm taking away. Okay, yeah. So I'm taking it out. So how many should I cross out, Adelaide?
2.
2. Okay, I'm gonna cross out 2 from here. That's gone. Okay, so what's left, Shania?
2.
We have 2 left right here. Okay. So what's your final answer, you think?
2. 2.
Hmm?
2 6.
Shania, what's your final answer?
2 over 6.
It is 2 over 6. Now, Hannah, what do you think? This answer says 2 over 6. Should I stop right here?
No.
Oh, simplify.
Hannah? Simplify. Always, always, always. The last step will be to simplify. Simplify it by dividing by a common factor. Now wait, before you simplify, I want to show this using this picture because it's easy to divide by a common factor, but how do you express that in here? Pay attention. Now, you said simplify it, so you guys are going to divide it by 2?
Yes.
And you
get
get
1/3.
1/3. Okay, I understand that
They would
everybody
say
gets
that.
1/3. How should I show that in this one? How should I show that on in the pictorial representation? It's 1/3.
Oh, you should draw a circle and then put it into 3.
No, I'm not drawing anything new. I'm not drawing anything new from
Ooh.
here.
Oh.
How should I show 1/3?
Cross out that bottom thing and then cross out the other three.
Okay, now let's pay attention.
Okay.
You see this green and purple?
Yeah.
You see this purple and red?
Yes.
And you see this blank?
Yes.
Are there 3 equal parts?
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3
Oh.
equal parts, and
Okay.
there's only this first part that is left out. So that is 1 part.
I get it now. Same.
That's the second part. And here's your third part. So you have 3 equal parts, but out of the 3 equal parts, how many is left?
1.
1. So 1 out of 3. So that is 1 part is left out of 3 equal parts that we have, which is the same as 2 part is left out of 6 equal parts. Does that make sense?
Yes.
That's how we do pictorial representation.